Okay, I'm gaining on it. It's going okay. So I initially took a inch and a quarter, inch and a half. I'm sorry, inch and a half. Well, a 2x6 treated, so it's inch and a half. And then I got that in there, and I knew from that about the size of this one. So that one's fitting in really good now. And that gives me about the width of the siding on both sides. So I'm going to put a screw in here, or maybe I'll get my siding piece and then screw all three together. That's probably what I'll do. I don't know if I have a board of siding. It seems like I do have one someplace, but chances of finding that are pretty slim. So I'll look a little bit, and if not, I'm going to grab a piece of hemlock and maybe put a bevel on the top edge. It's not going to be noticeable. And then see what size I need for that, and fit it back in, and then screw maybe a couple screws going through everything. Okay, so I'm happy with how this is turning out. I did end up chipping some more stuff out to try to get them in without doing a whole lot of shaving or anything. So luckily I was able to get more out to get them in there flatter. So it's pretty good. There's not much gap in between where the new wood is and where the other wood is. There's a slight gap, yes, but not much. It's pretty snug in there, and I'm real happy with how even it's coming out. Okay, so yeah, you got to get creative sometimes, but you got to fix it. You can't, covering it up is not an option. It just isn't. Okay, let's get this. Let's find some siding.